Volkswagen is kicking off 2025 with some serious upgrades to the Golf R, packing more power and refined styling to keep this sporty hatchback a top contender. The latest version of the Golf R amps up its performance with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine now pushing 328 horsepower, which is a 13 horsepower bump over last year's model. Standard all-wheel drive ensures that this power translates to a stable gripping drive, while the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, DSG, keeps shifting quick and responsive. For those wondering about the Clubsport edition, it will unfortunately remain a Europe-only option. Volkswagen has given the Golf R a fresh face as well. With new headlights and a redesigned front bumper, the 2025 model adopts a sportier, more aggressive look. An illuminated light bar with a glowing Volkswagen logo adds to the visual appeal and instantly makes it stand out on the road. For those looking to go all in on style, the new Golf R Black Edition comes to the United States from Europe with exclusive blacked out wheels, brake calipers, and carbon fiber touches for added flair. The Golf R also receives the Euro-style package, which includes lighter, forged alloy wheels, a sunroof delete option, fabric seats, and an Akrapovic titanium exhaust. These 19-inch alloy wheels shave off about 20% of the weight, boosting the hatchback's agility. On the tech side, Volkswagen has equipped the 2025 Golf R with a larger 12.9-inch touchscreen, featuring its latest user interface. This system, also found in the ID Buzz, is faster and more intuitive. The Golf R will retain haptic controls on the steering wheel, though the GTI has swapped these for traditional hard buttons, a change some fans might appreciate. Safety remains a priority, with Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite offering adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and more, now included. Plus, Park Assist Plus comes standard on the Golf R, adding convenience for urban driving. Volkswagen has yet to announce pricing, but both the Golf R and GTI will be hitting showrooms in the coming months. It is shaping up to be a strong year for Volkswagen fans with enhanced features and power to back it up.